What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on Tesla stock.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on a price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with amazing fundamental news that drove the price of Tesla higher from this swing low. It gained about 18.5%. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis, and I will show you what should we expect next. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this point and I've told you that we were forming this symmetrical triangle, and this triangle usually appears in the fourth wave, and my bear count was like this. Let me show you that we had this movement to the downside from the very beginning of April, from this point of $1,147 to this one, and we formed only 3 waves out of 5. This was the attempt to make the fourth wave, and we have to have one more leg to the downside in order to complete the fifth wave. And because of this formation, it is a symmetrical triangle that usually appears in the fourth wave, my assumption was that we might have one more leg to the downside. But on the other hand, and I've told you that on my previous video, we had a very high volume on this consolidation phase, and it is not so usual to see this volume in this type of price action. And this means another my assumption was that we might have, let me show it to you, we might have the bottom of our fifth wave right here as the truncated wave. And the second possibility that we should bounce from the lower border of this triangle. And we have this bounce, as you can see. Let me show you on hourly time frame. Let me show you more thoroughly this movement. As you can see, we have this touch, pretty much we touched this range of support and bounced back to the upside. We retested, let me again adjust the upper resistance. We retested, as you can see, this range of resistance, bounced back, and with the second attempt and with increasing volume, we broke it to the upside. And definitely this breakout is a real breakout, because we have not only the breakout with the conviction of volume, but we have the movement to the upside that from the range of breakout gained about 5.3%. So definitely it is a very good price action, and I have to say that we are pretty much invalidating at this very moment this price action, and in my opinion we won't break this range ever again. So, and what was the reason of this movement? Let me show you that if you type in Google search bar Tesla stock and switch to use tab folder, you can find that the main catalyst for Tesla is Twitter deal. And let me show you this news. We are on Yahoo Finance, and this article was published just several hours ago, and it says Twitter vows legal fight after Musk pulls out of $44 billion deal. And let me quote you this. Elon Musk, the chief executive officer of Tesla and the world's richest person, said on Friday he was terminating his $44 billion deal to buy Twitter because the social media company had breached multiple provisions of the merger agreement. Twitter's chairman Brad Taylor said on the microblogging platform that the board planned to pursue legal action to enforce the merger agreement. The Twitter board is committed to closing the transaction on the price and terms agreed upon with Mr. Musk, he wrote. In filing, Musk's lawyers said Twitter had failed or refused to respond to multiple requests for information on fake or spam accounts on the platform, which is fundamental to the company's business performance. Twitter is a material breach of multiple provisions of that agreement, appears to have made false and misleading representations upon which Mr. Musk relied when entering into the merger agreement, the filing said. Musk also said he was walking away because Twitter fired high-ranking executives and 1/3 of the talent acquisition team, breaching Twitter's obligation to preserve substantially intact the material components of its current business organization. And definitely because of this news, we can see the spike in price of Tesla. And you might wonder, why is that? And the reason is very simple. $44 billion of potential price to pay for Twitter could negatively affect the price of Tesla, because some of this money might be borrowed against the Tesla shares by Elon Musk. And this means without this contract, without this agreement, Tesla loses some of its bearish pressure. And definitely Elon Musk might focus on his plans with Tesla and with SpaceX. And definitely this is a very important step, and this is a very important decision for the Tesla shareholders. And let me show you this. Elon Musk announced that he wants to buy Twitter on April the 4th, as you can see right here. And let me show you on the price section that April the 4th was the highest point of its price section. And from this date we have about as you can see, 95 days of downtrend and consolidation phase. And this means right after he refused to buy Twitter. In my opinion, these several points might be the lowest points of the price section. And on top of this news, we have very good news from Shanghai factory. And let me show you that I partially covered this news in my previous video, but let me show you this in details. Tesla's Shanghai factory delivered nearly 80,000 vehicles in June. And data coming out of the China Passenger Car Association shows Tesla made 78,906 vehicles in June, more than double the 32,165 vehicles it made a year ago. Only 968 of the vehicles were exported out of the country. And definitely this number is very, very impressive, because if you multiply this number by 12 months, you will have about 950,000 vehicles that might be produced by Shanghai Gigafactory alone. And let me remind you that on the entire year 2021, Shanghai plant and Fremont plant produced 930,000 vehicles combined. This means only Giga Shanghai might exceed this milestone. But let me remind you that Fremont and Giga Berlin and Giga Texas are also in play. And this means the number of vehicles produced in upcoming years might be highly above 1.5 million units. And let's continue with the technical analysis. But before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, I have to say that we confirmed this breakout above the range of resistance. And as you can see, Tesla's price action breached this range of resistance as well, that it cannot break for several times. And it is also a very good sign. And I have to say that the current price of Tesla is not more than 2% below from its previous swing high, and when this asset breaks this range of resistance, it will officially confirm the new uptrend, because it will establish higher lows and higher highs. And what should you do if you want to enter the position with Tesla? I've told you multiple times on these retracements that you should accumulate your position if you want to invest in this asset for more than 12 or 18 months. And if you want to catch the next leg to the upside as a swing trader, just wait for the retracement, because from this bottom, let me show you more thoroughly. From this bottom, it doesn't have major retracements, and it's just basically almost the straight line to the upside. And when it hits some kind of resistance, and probably this resistance might be at $792, it should have a retracement, and on this retracement you will be able to re-enter your position and to catch the next leg to the upside. So I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stay